Hey, how's it going? My parents sent me over a gift.
Wow, what is this?
It's actually a multifunctional earthquake warning device. When an earthquake happens, it sets off an alarm and the light goes off. And then you can even use it as an SOS signal to call for help and also light your way out of the house when you escape.
Wow, can it really set off an alarm? Let me take a look at the instructions.
It uses a sensor to monitor geomagnetic anomalies and also detect house tilt and vibrations. So if your house vibrates for more than 3 seconds or the earthquake shock level is over 4, the alarm and the light both go off.
Oh, nice! So that if there is an earthquake at night, it can just wake people up and then they can escape.
So it's a really easy product to use. You just press it once to turn on the white light and then press it 2 more times to turn the alarm on. And if you want to turn the product off, you just hold the side for 3 seconds. This blue light here shows that the device is functioning.
What's going on?
I think it's an earthquake. Let's go. Oh, we managed to get out.
Thanks God we're alive. Let's go for rescue.